Hello, my name is Mauricia Nambatia. I'm a civil engineer who has been practicing for the last 5 years doing geometric design for roads. And right now I'm in the University of Cambridge studying an MPhil in Engineering for Sustainable Development. And just recently, about 1 week ago, a very wonderful lecturer of ours walks into class and tells us that we are going to undergo a personal change challenge. And each student was supposed to come up with an activity that they would do on a daily basis that would actually aid to sustainability. And I kept on thinking to myself, what am I going to do? This whole week has been thinking. And you know what? For you to change, you actually have to convince your mind first. And yes, right now I'm sold out. I'm convinced, not really because it's an assignment that we all have to do, but because I just realized the eventual impact that it's going to have on the society. The first thing that came to my mind was to go ahead and cut my diet, and because I was feeding on biscuits, chocolates, and these are foods that are not healthy at all. But most importantly to note is that if you eat meaty food, then definitely you're going to have challenges, because it's first of all unhealthy. The fat is not good for us, but at the same time, when you look at the water footprint, you find that livestock products use up a lot more water during the production process, and which is not very good for generally the water itself, the water systems available for us. But putting that aside, I thought to myself, if I'm going to reduce my budget from eating chocolates and eating biscuits, then where am I going to put that money? How is that beneficial to the environment? And well, I thought about a very good idea. I hope everyone thinks that it's good anyway, but even if you don't, to me it's really good. I'm going to save up money every single week, buy a tree, and also be able to plant it. So I can imagine if I plant 1 tree every week, those are 4 trees in a month. And in 10 months that I'm here to study at the University of Cambridge, then those will be 40 trees planted by Mauricia. I don't know how many people will be excited about this, but this is so wonderful, because the purpose behind this is the fact that I want to reduce on the carbon footprint in Cambridge, for example. And there are indicators of sustainability, and these include the water footprint. I basically could reduce the amount of water I use here, but that wasn't enough for me. There is also ecological footprint, and yeah, the carbon footprint. So my biggest questions right now are, which species of trees, where am I going to plant the trees, who is going to come along with me to plant the trees, and will I be able to do it consistently on a weekly basis? And to all my friends out there who are thinking about changing the world, it begins with changing ourselves. It begins with, doing the things that we want to see the world do right now, right here. And to the ESD students, what I can say is that this personal change challenge is out for each one of us to really rethink the way we do things, and it will be the benefit of each one of us when we go back to our home countries to create a change in the world. And it begins with us, and once others have seen us do something, then everyone else will be able to do something about it. So cheers, have fun as you do this challenge. I hope very many people will keep following to see what's going on. I hope to see 40 trees planted in Cambridge by the time I live here. And wow, what a great contribution I would have made to the world. Thank you very much.